is going to be an interesting video. Give you an update. I'm seeing a really big wave in the corner there. Massive barrel. I'm not going to pull into closeouts, but I'm definitely going to try to have some fun out there. Solo session, heavy, tide is draining. Hopefully I get one. It's yeah, intimidating conditions, let me just put it that way. So, strategy. I need to start timing the sets because there's no chance to make it out while they're pulsing. But there is a chance if you paddle out in between them. So that's what I'm going to do. Just to give you guys an idea of how high the high water mark is. Pretty much up there. Massive high water mark. Tide is draining though. I think low tide's like 2 hours away. And I've just walked way past the main beach. I was gonna paddle out here, hopefully get out like no problem. I should probably use that second channel. Paddle out here, get washed across this bank and then sort of sneak out in that little gully over there. I'll probably only start recording the paddle out like as I start hitting the heavy section of it. Hopefully it's easy. My little channel's got some pretty big waves breaking there right now. I feel like these are some decent sets here, guys. Yeah, those are some big sets for sure. Yeah, that's big. I think now's the time. I'm just gonna go. I'm sure I'll get out just fine. Oh, how's that thing? Massive, right? Wow. Look at it, a lot harder than I thought. Lots of water moving. So much water moving, it's crazy. Maybe I should take a steering too. Probably be easier. Oh. Definitely. Wow, that's big. Guys, it's a lot harder than what I thought. I'm caught on a bank. No chance. Okay guys, just to give you an update, I got pushed about a kilometer down the beach. I'm not quite sure what my plan is. I may try again, I don't know. There's way too much water moving, too much energy. Can't get out guys, I've been defeated. Yo guys, I'm gonna attempt this paddle out again, probably one more time. If I don't make it out, I'm gonna probably go surf town or probably just do nothing and get into some edits. I'm sorry that this video has been a bit of a downer, but it's quite heavy. There's a lot of water moving, difficult to time. I can't get over the bank. It's just pretty heavy, I won't lie. Well guys, I made it. I must say, I'm stoked that I made it out, but that paddle was so heavy, it's made me so worried about even catching a wave. And don't even know what I want to do. There's a peak down there. I'm just going to sit on a white peak out at Instees, and I'm sitting super far out at the moment because I don't want to get cleaned up. I need to see what the sets are doing. It's very difficult to time the paddle out because the beach is so long and the sets are hitting different sections of the beach. So you think there's no sets here, so you start paddling, but you get washed into a peak that's just about to have. So I'm very surprised I got out, guys. Thanks for your prayers. That was insane. And I've just paddled so far out. I'm gonna paddle back in. I definitely don't know where I want to sit. It looks like I'm only gonna get one wave. I need to get down to that bank down there, but I think for me, probably just go sit at the main peak. You'll be seeing a lot of my little videos. I'm surfing these little lefts. I'm gonna go sit on that peak, that reef, and see if something comes. Big wave. Definitely solid. Look at this. Yeah, there's one behind. That's the one behind. Oh my gosh. My feet are slippery. Oh my gosh. These waves are moving way too fast for little old 6'4". No chance. Need to get my 7'2". Today's more about just like making it out, eh? Guys, I almost thought I wasn't gonna make it out. First time in 20 years. Truly, I didn't even know when last I haven't made it out. I thought today was the day. It's bound to happen. Ocean can always smash you. This place has got 0 channels. It's super heavy. Anyway, let's see what happens. Such a heavy rip, just ripping out to sea. Big waves, you can take off behind the peak, it's fine, you'll get like a good scoop in, but you won't make it to the shoulder because the waves are just so big. So I'm going to just try find one where I'm like on the peak or just off it. Wow. Okay, that's big. Holy. There's been so many cleaning up, I really just don't want to get caught because just snuck that shoulder hop just for fun. I want to get a real wave though. Well, not exactly, but that was the peak. That's the peak that I need to be on. So let's see if we can get one. Could have been one. Could have been one that I could have gotten. Could have, would have, should have. A little bit far out. Definitely a fun one. The wave's actually pretty good. Just gotta catch one now. Definitely bigger board next time, eh guys? I've got to stop riding these small boards in bigger waves. Runner. I'd hate to say it, but a jet ski would be fun right now. There's no one out, so I could easily use one. Oh, what's this thing? Oh, this thing's got my name on for sure. Yo guys, I chickened out over there. That's all she wrote, I'm going to call it. That was wild. I think just one wave is enough. Could have probably kicked out and pedaled back out, but my nerves are shot. Definitely feel undergunned. I'm over it. well, thanks for watching, guys. If you made it this far, you're legends. Stoked. Thanks very much. I'll see you on the next one. Wild session. This place definitely defeated me. Jeez, how's that thing? Can't paddle fast enough through the lineup, but it's just wild out there. Good waves, clean. That's pretty much what I was surfing. Well, trying to surf. Big lifts when no one's out. That's always a lot of fun. You need to find a good bank though. Obviously far down there, you can't really see it now, but directly where the sun is, that's the zone. Giant split. I just saw a giant split. And here come some sets over here. There's waves. Yeah, there's waves. Okay, that cleaned up. Alright, enough of that chit chat. Let's go get some. Town's probably firing. I could easily go there and make a video, but hope you guys can appreciate this. This is when my channel sort of separates itself from its usual content, because these are substantial waves and obviously not one person wants a single part of it. So it'd be nice to have some buddies to come and do this with me if there is any chargers out there that can handle stuff like this. That's not already like got their own plans. Then let's do it. Oh, there's good waves, clean, big, less. Some barrels, but guys, I'm going to dodge some barrels because I'm selling this board. Whew. So I can buy another one that I prefer. Check out that big lift over there. A little mini split. Oh, not allowed to use the word little. I figured it out. I think the reason why we use the word little is because we're trying to not let it get to our head, you know? Who knows? I don't want to use those words. This is going to be an insane mission. Hopefully I get a wave. Really. I really do. Yo. Hey guys, for those of you that don't know, shout out to Matthew Daniels. He would be probably the only person that would come and surf with me today. He's up in New Zealand. Down under! Down in New Zealand, and now I've got to face these missions alone. It'd be super nice to have someone to come and do this with me. Town is probably firing. Like perfect lefts and rights, mostly rights, but some very good lefts on the other side of the piers. There'll probably be no one there, but let's do this. Hopefully this makes for a better video. It all depends if I get a good wave, but on days like this it's really difficult to, because you sort of sit like far off the inside because you don't want to get cleaned out. You don't want to get cleaned up, but then you miss like the good ones, and then ones that you think you should, you know the story. Ones you think you should go on, you don't go on, and then you always go on the wrong ones. Like those big ones move too fast to even catch. The sport's pretty small. Definitely gonna improve it. Gosh, big waves. As I was doing that sort of interview, it lulled out completely afterwards, and I've been on the beach ever since, and I missed a good opportunity to paddle. But I'm gonna wait for the sets to come massive. When I can clearly see them, then I'm gonna hit the water, and I hopefully should get out no problem. It might start pulsing because it's gonna like drain and the water volleys every now and again. So I think I'm gonna be paddling out on a volley. I hope not. Let's see what happens. Maybe I'm freaking out. Maybe it's not even that big. Doesn't look too solid, eh? Easily get out here. It's nothing. What do you guys think? The correct frame of mind. You don't want to get caught by the big sets. I think there's a couple bumps out the back. It's getting about time for me to paddle.